So alright, since my last video, someone pointed out that the placement of the spool holder was not exactly the best place. And yeah, it was only a temporary position. So, we're going to play with the TUSH, the ultimate spool holder. That sounds so bad. Alright, so the TUSH is literally the ultimate spool holder is its name. I have it on screen here. Basically, you 3D print a few parts. Then you want to get yourself some bearings. Particularly, you want to get 4 608 bearings right here. I didn't have any available, so I just went on Amazon, found these ones here. These were fairly cheap. At the time, they cost about $5, something like that. I'll have these linked below if you want these exact ones, but honestly, whatever cheap ones you can get that are 608 bearings, hot glue, super glue them together, attach them together. You can place it wherever you want. Pretty easy to make. Takes a few hours to print each one, and not too bad. Potentially, if I want to have this enclosure fully enclosed, that's redundant. If I want to have this cabinet fully enclosed, I'm going to have a way to pass through the filament from the top. So while searching around, I happened to see this previously in the past. It's for a filament dry box. But in here, there is basically a guide. So I decided to use this. We're going to have one part on top, one part on the bottom, and then I just got to figure out some way to make a pass-through. Because how IKEA makes their stuff, they make it like a corrugated board. It's almost similar to the infill of a 3D printed object. It doesn't completely make it solid. It's got some space in there. What I found happening was, once I drilled the hole, I try and pass filament through, it's actually getting stuck or curving right before it gets through the outer hole, and it gets stuck inside there. I decided to use the 1/8 inch tube or 1/8 inch hosing from a sprinkler system. So I just had to make the hole a little bigger and then even larger, because it's 1/8 of an inch interior diameter means it's about 1/4 of an inch exterior diameter. So 1/4 inch tubing. I ended up with a hole 5/16 to give me some room to slide it in. Glued the top piece down so that it is smooth, and then had this little piece in here. Once the glue dried, just slice that off and attach the two ends. And so, yeah, this is the end result. So, this is now how I added a tush and a hole to my 3D printer.
So, how is your tush today, sir?
What?
Your new spool holder.
It's fine.
Good to know. Shall I add lubricate tush to your annual maintenance calendar?
If you like videos like this, let me know. Leave a comment below. Like, comment, subscribe. Leave me any input. I'm open to making videos better, making more fun. And I will see everybody next time.